Had a couple questions on the old bucket truck. This is a 1978 C60 bucket truck with a very old and wore out and tired and nasty and everything that's wrong with it 350.
Yeah, that's nasty.
It's nasty. Most people, I had a few questions about how this thing worked. You see the hydraulic cylinders there.
Yeah.
And that motor right there. That motor drives a electric generator and then a hydraulic pump. And there you see the pulleys. And that's the hydraulic pump there. Filter has probably never been changed ever. And it pumps fluids up to all this stuff. Hopefully it all works because it's been sitting for quite some time. So we're going to see if we can stick a new battery in here. So we're going to stick a battery in here and see if this old thing will fire up.
Yeah.
Let's see. Very professional wiring job here. I don't know how old that battery is, but it's old. You gonna video for me?
Do I hit the circle button when you...
It's already on. You didn't hit it again, did you?
No.
You sure?
I'm sure.
Is the numbers going?
Yes.
Why are you so angry?
I want you to hear.
Huh, okay.
Yeah, that looks like a 40,000-year-old battery. Let's say... Yep.
Good healthy battery there.
Yes, very healthy. We like healthy batteries. And I'm being sarcastic. Wow.
Professional.
Yes, very professional. People usually do that to batteries to get them perfect.
Professional?
Mm-hmm. That's profession. And I'm being sarcastic.
Oh, good. There's gas in there. That's probably not going to be a problem. They're not going to be able to see.
I'm sure they see.
All right. Well, you know, old gas is probably really good for it.
Yeah, good. Oh, gas.
My gopher. My gopher. Did you do good? Let me see. Let me see this. Yes, that's what I needed. Good job.
Don't hurt yourself.
I'll try not to.
Yeah, that's some good. That's good. That's some good stuff.
There's a lot of gas in there.
Well, that's some good stuff.
No, that's not good.
Oh.
I got to drain it all out. Video for me. It's going.
It's going.
So, drained all the rotten gas out of here. That's why it smells like, you know, awful. I'll put a little squirt of the best oil you can buy from Walmart. It's not the best. And we're gonna see if this thing will pick me up and not drop me on the ground. Because I haven't used it in years. So hopefully nothing breaks. Well, it's not taking it also. It's just not going to get any.
It's not taking it?
Well, I need a funnel.
Hmm.
And I don't have a funnel.
Dang.
So. Oh well.
Oh, well.
Oh well, yeah.
Doesn't it need it?
Nah. It's got some. Now we'll drive over here to your barn and I'll see if I can replace the flag before.
I think I'll walk.
You probably should. God, dogs.
before he runs you over. Ah! Hold on. Let me get my dogs. I know, what the heck? Piper. That smell. What's the thing dangling in the bottom? Must be a boy truck. You whacked your ankle? What is it? Oh.
Success. I believe this one's due.
Yeah, but it never fell.
Nope.
And also the truck didn't drop you.
That's good too. I like that. All right. Well, probably do some more video from working on the barns. I'll reach it all the way up to the top because I got to work on that barn at my mom's house, and it's all the way at the very top.
At
so
the tippy top. It won't
I'll give
be...
y'all my perspective of what that looks like.
Oh boy. I will not be there.
Nothing like riding a fiberglass bucket up in, like, way up in the air.
Looks safe from my house. I mean, it did pretty good, I think, considering you haven't cranked it up in what?
Ever.
Yeah.
Way ever.
Since we put this up.
That would be 2020 then.
Whole thing.
It's been 4 years since this thing's ran. 4 years, son. Alright, well, we'll be back in a few days, I guess.
The next day.
Ah. this little chain and cable system's all keeps you upright. Thank y'all for watching.